Hello students, this is class 3 junior maths page number 19 and in this video we will complete our exercise 2D. Okay, so let's start. Before starting exercise you have to understand some basic topics. Okay, so let's read this sentence first. To compare numbers, compare left to right. Okay, left to right in this direction. You have to go in this direction, left to right. Okay. Second, if the digit at a place are equal, compare the digit at next place. Means, suppose I am giving you some example. One example. Just see this. This is left and this is right. Okay. You have to compare the digit from left to right. Left से right की तरफ आपको compare करना है. Then just see the place value of thousand place. Okay. So it is 4 and it is 7. Okay, and that is very clear. You know also that 4 is smaller than 7, so obvious this total number will be greater. Okay, so this is a very easy fundamental to compare or arrange numbers in ascending or descending or the greater or smaller, whatever. Okay, just see the next example. This is see the thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, and this is the same, and compare the place value of 1000. So it is 1 and there is no digit on 1000 place. So this is very easy to find that which one is greater, because this number is 4 digit number and this is 3 digit number. Then obvious the 4 digit number will be greater than the 3 digit number. Okay, so and one more thing, if it is here 0, then you know that 1 is greater than 0, so this one will be greater. Okay, just see this one more thing I am showing you. See the thousands place value, the both is 9. Okay, let's compare. Let's compare. This is 9, both is 9 and this is equal, so we will compare the next digit. Okay, we will compare the next digit. Then the next digit is 8 and this is 7. Then which one is greater? You know that 8 is greater than 7, so this side number will be greater than this side. Okay, one more thing, just see next example. In the next example, just see the thousand place thousands place, this both is equal, so let's check the next place value of 100 place. This is 1 and this is also 1, then this is also equal, so we will check the next place value of tens place. So this is 3 and this is 4. Then which one is greater? Then obvious the 4 is greater than 3. Then this side number will be greater. Okay, so we will put the symbol of greater than. Okay, just see the next example. What happened when 3 digits left to right is equal? Okay, just see, this is equal. Just check the next one. 0 is also, it is 0 on both number on 100 place. 2 is here and the next 4. Then this whole digit are equal to this, then this number will be equal, so you have to put the symbol of equal. Okay, so let's start our exercise, the 2D. So your first question is greater than, smaller than or equal to. Okay, आपको इनमें से कोई एक सिंबल डालना है, रखना है और उसको फाइंड करना है आपको. सो द मेथड इज सेम. लेट्स स्टार्ट चेकिंग फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट टू राइट. ओके, दिस इज 2 and this is 3. then which one is greater? then obvious this 3 is greater, then you will put the symbol of 3. आपको जो नंबर बड़ा होगा उसकी तरफ ये मुंह खुला हुआ रहेगा. दिस इज ऑल्सो सिंपल मेथड. ओके, जो नंबर बड़ा होगा उसकी तरफ मुंह हम लोग क्या करेंगे? ओपन कर देंगे इसका. ओके, और इसकी तरफ ये ओपन नहीं होगा. Next number, this thousands place value is same. Then check the 100 place value. Then this one is greater. 6 is greater than 2. So this whole number will be greater. So put this symbol. Okay. Again, this is the next question. Okay. 3. This is 3 digit number. Okay. There is nothing on thousands place. So obvious this number is smaller than the 4 digit. The 3 digit number is always smaller than the 4 digit number. So you don't have to check the place values. So put the symbol like this. Again, this one is 2 digit number and this one is 4 digit number. Then this is very easy to find. This one is sorry. Then which one is greater? Okay. Next one. This is 7 and this is 9. Okay. So place value of thousand place is, which one is greater? Then obvious 9 is greater than 7. So this whole number will be greater. So put this symbol. Okay. Again check the place values. This is 9 and this is 4. Then which one will be greater? Obvious this one will be greater. Okay. Again just check the thousands place. This is same. Hundreds place. This is also same. Tens place. This is also same. And ones place. This is also same. Then whole digit of number, both numbers are equal. Then we will put this symbol. Okay. Of equal. Next question. The thousands place is equal. Hundreds place is 3 and 3. It is also equal. And tens place is, it is 7 and it is 6. So which one is greater than 7? Then this side number will be greater. Okay. Again this one is 8 and thousands place is, this is also 8. This one is 1 and this is 3. Then which one is greater? Which digit is greater? Then 3 is greater. So this number, this whole number will be greater. Again this is 2 and this is this is 3. Thousands place, 100 place is also equal. Tens place is also equal to 2, but ones place is not equal. So which one is greater? The 4 is greater than 0. So put this symbol. Okay. Again this is thousands place is equal, but 100 place is not equal. So which one is greater? Then 7 is greater than 3. So obvious this number will be greater. Okay. Again the 4,000 place is equal, but 100 place is not equal. So which one is greater? Then 5 is greater. Then this whole number will be greater. Okay. Again in this number, this 9 is thousands place is equal, but 100 place is 0. Here it is 0 and it is 1. Then 1 is greater than 0. So we will put this symbol. Okay. Again in next question, this thousands place is equal, 100 place is also equal 6, and tens place is also equal, and ones place is also equal. So the both numbers are equal. So we will put this equal sign. Okay. So next one, this one is thousands place is, here it is 5 and it is 4. Then this one will get greater. Then 5 will be greater. Then the whole number will be greater. Okay. Again in next question, this is 9 and this is also 9, but the tens hundreds place is not equal. So which one is greater? 3 is greater than 2. So the whole number will be greater. Okay. So put this sign. Okay. Let's see the next question. And what is this? You have to find the smallest number from the whole number. Okay. Total numbers. So how you will compare, how you will find out? The same method. You have to compare the place values of each number. Okay. So first one is, for example, and we will solve the next question. And this is let's check the place value of thousand place value of each number. Okay. So it is 9, it is 3, it is 2, it is 9, and it is 6. One more thing, that it is 3 digit number is always smaller than 4 digit number. So that is very easy to find out which one is just smaller than, because it is only the number that contains only 3 digits. Okay. So we will write 997. Okay. You have to find out the smallest number and write it here. Okay. Next question, check the place values of thousands place. Okay. This is 6, this is 3, this is 2, this is 7, this is 5. Then which one is smallest? 6, 3, 2, 7, 4, 5. So the 2 is the smallest in all. 2 सबसे छोटा है ना? Then the whole number will be smaller. Then write it here. 2, 1. Sorry. 2, 1. 2 1 4 7. Okay, so let's check next one. This is 5, this is 5, this is 5, and this is also 5. The thousands place are equal, so we will check the next place values of number. This is 6, this is 3, this is 3, this is 6, this is 2. Then which one is the smallest? This 2 is the smallest, so the whole number will be smaller. Then 5 2 6 3. Okay, so next question, check the place values. Okay, so this is 4, this is 4, this is 4, this is 4, this is 4. Okay, the first digit, the thousands place are equal, so we will check the 100 place value, 100 place. So this is 7, this is 8, this is 7, this is 8, this is 5. Then which one is the smallest? Obvious, this 5 is the smallest, then the whole number will be smaller. Okay, so write it here, 4 5 7 8. Okay, so इसी की तरह आपको नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द ग्रेटेस्ट वन. ओके, सो आपको जैसे आप स्मॉलेस्ट वन ढूंढ रहे थे प्लेस वैल्यूज़ पे, आपको इसमें ग्रेटेस्ट वन ढूंढना है. ओके, सो पहला आपको किया गया है पहले से, एंड वी विल डू द नेक्स्ट वन. चेक द प्लेस वैल्यूज ऑफ thousands. So this is 2, this is 1, this is obvious, this is 3 digit number, so we will not take this in the series. And this is 3, this is 4, so which one is greater? Then obvious, this 4 is greater, then the whole number will be greater. Okay, this 4 3 2 2. Okay, see the next one. This is 7, this is 7. You have to find out the greatest. Okay, keep it mind. This is 7, this is also 7, so let's check the next place values. This is 3, this is 0, this is 3, this is 1, and this is 1. So which one is greatest? Then obvious 3 is greater. Then this is same, so we will check the place value. We will cut this 3 numbers, because we have to compare only 2 numbers, क्योंकि इस दोनों नंबर में ही 100 place value सेम है. So we will check the tens place value. Okay, so this is 0 and this is 1, so always 0 is smaller than 1, then the whole number will be greater, this will be greater. So 7 3 1 0. So next one, this is 5, this is 7, this is 8, this is 8, and this is 6. So obvious the 8 is greatest, so we will cut this because we will not compare these numbers. Okay, now we have to compare only 2 numbers, because these all numbers are smaller. So this is 5 and this is 6, though, so which one will be greater? Obvious, the 6 is greater, so the whole number will be greater than 8 6 0 0. Okay, so next one, this is 6, this is 6, this is 6 6, and it is also 6. So check the place value of hundreds. So this is 7, this is 9, this is 7, this is 8, and this is 9. So 9 is greatest, so we will cut these numbers. Again we will check the place value of tens. So this is 7 and this is 8, then this is 8, then 8 will be greater and the whole number will be greater. So we will write here 6 9 8 7. So we have finished our first part of exercise 2D. Thank you so much.